Let us solve a question on monopolist's profit maximization choice. The question is, a monopolist has a constant marginal cost at $1 per unit and zero fixed costs. It faces a demand curve, that means quantity demanded is equal to 100 upon price when price is less or equal to 20, and quantity demanded is 0 when price is greater than 20. Sorry, it is here 0. So when price is greater than 20, where P is the price, we have to find out what is the profit maximizing choice of output. The options are 25, 1 upon 99 or 10. Okay, so what we have been basically given, so dp, this denotes the quantity demanded. Let me write it here. So quantity demanded is equal to 100 upon P. Okay, so quantity demanded is 100 upon P when price is less or equal to 0, and when price is greater than less or equal to 20, and quantity demanded is 0 when price is greater than 20. So this will not be our demand function here. Okay, so first let's find total revenue. Our total revenue, as you know, is simply equal to price into quantity, and here you can simply see, if I transpose it here, it will become P into Q, which is equal to 100. So total revenue is here 100, which is constant. And what is our marginal cost? Marginal cost is being given us as $1. Okay, so this is $1, and we are being told we have zero fixed cost. That means the fixed cost is equal to 0. Now, if we try to find out the total cost, now total cost will be simply the integral of marginal cost with respect to output. Okay, so our marginal cost is 1, so we will write 1 dq. Integral of 1 is q here, so we will get q plus the constant of integration, and this constant of integration is nothing but our fixed cost. Okay, and we are being told fixed cost is equal to 0. Let us say it is equal to c. That means our total cost is equal to q only. Okay, now profit maximization requires profit maximization requires profit maximization requires that our marginal revenue. Okay, so we have okay, so our marginal revenue should be equal to marginal cost. Okay, and what is marginal revenue? Marginal revenue is simply the derivative of total revenue function with respect to output. So what will be our marginal revenue? If this is our total revenue function, that is total revenue is equal to P into Q. So derivative of uh, P into Q is 100 here. So our total revenue is 100. Derivative of 100 is 0, which is constant here. So we can write it here 0. Okay. So our total revenue is marginal revenue is equal to 0. Now if I equate marginal revenue with marginal cost, that means 0 should be equal to our marginal cost, which is being given us as 1 here, and this condition is not met here. You can see it here. We cannot proceed this way. Okay, then simple logic is, since our total revenue which is equal to P into Q, which is constant here. Okay, so we cannot use this very thing here, this very method in calculating the profit maximizing output. Logic is very simple. Our total revenue is constant here. When total revenue is constant, firm will charge highest possible price. Okay, so when total revenue is constant, firm will charge highest highest possible price. Okay, highest possible price. Now we know P into Q. When we have solved this, it came out to be 100, and highest possible price that a firm can charge here, that is when P is less or equal to 20. That means highest possible price is 20. So in place of P I can write 20 into Q is equal to 100. That means Q will be equal to 100 upon 20, which comes out to be 5. That means profit maximizing output will be equal to 5. Okay, now we can also verify this very thing. How can we verify that? Let us see. Okay, so for that, let me rub this out. We know that profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. Okay, now total revenue is price into output minus total cost is Q, and we have this very relation, that means P into Q is equal to 100. Okay, and P into Q, when we solve this, we got it 100. So when price is 20, when P is equal to 20, when P is equal to 20, then our profit will be equal to so P is 20. So corresponding to this, when this is 20, so uh, Q will be equal to 5. So 20 into 5 minus total cost is Q. That means we have here 5 again. So this comes out to be 95. Okay. If we take any other value of price less than 20, let us say we take uh, let us say we take any price, let us say we take 5. Okay, when when price is 5, you can take any number, 19, 18. So for the sake of convenience, I have taken 5. When P is equal to 5 here, 5, then what will be the quantity? uh, Quantity will be equal to 100 upon 5, which comes out to be 20. That means our profit will be equal to P into Q. P is 5, Q is 20. Okay, minus, since Q is equal to 20, here total cost is a function of output. Since output is 20, let us see what is our profit. So profit will be 100 minus 20, which comes out to be 80. So profit will decrease when we decrease price from 20 to any other level. Okay, so the highest possible price that a firm can charge to maximize its profits will be equal to 20. Okay, and corresponding date and the profit maximizing output will be 5. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.